Meet Wicket, possibly the luckiest dog in Sedona. She has her own store, the Whiskers Barkery, filled with the best treats and goodies for all her furry friends and visitors. Wicket loves to show off the Arizona-themed collars and toys, along with specialty gifts and cookies from her gourmet bakery. She proudly offers the world's toughest toys, some even destruction-proof, and lots of durable plush toys for when play gets rough. Wicket has products for hiking, adventure, even sidewalk travel. You'll love Catitude Corner, stocked with fresh organics, automated toys, and the best feline treats around. So don't wait, come in and visit Wicket at Whiskers Barkery in Uptown Sedona.